राजधानी पणजेन दिसपट्टी येरादारीचो पणजेकारांक त्रास जाता. ताका ट्राफिक पुलीस जबाबदार आसात. कितलींशींच वर्सां जालीं ट्राफिक पुलीस पणजेंतले हालनात. तांची बदली सुद्दां सरकार करिना असो आरोप पणजेचो नवो आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेरातान केला. तशेंच व्हडा प्रमाणांत कॅसिनो खातीर चलपी टॅक्सी उबे करून जागो आडावन दवरतात तांचेर नियंत्रण कोणी दवरपाचें? येरादारी सुरळीत करपाचें काम पुलिशेचेंच न्ही अशेय प्रश्न बाबूश मोन्सेरातान केल्यात.
Definitely, they are responsible. Who is responsible then? Where is the traffic police in Panjim? You find a traffic police in Panjim? I am blamed. 100% I am saying. In very clear, no, in very clear words I am saying. Police, traffic police of Panjim are responsible for this.
Are they taking some permission?
See, why they are responsible means what? Why you need to tell you each and everything? I don't need to feed you on everything. I am telling you they are responsible. So why they are responsible? That is high up should find out. Certain officers there are in traffic department who are for donkeys years there. They never get transferred.
Are you taking action?
No, I am saying they never get transferred. They are in Panjim. No, they should know what is the problem of Panjim. They should know why the people of Panjim are facing difficulties as far as parking is concerned. If you go and see now 70% of the parking parking area has been blocked by the traffic by the tourist taxis, and all these tourist taxis basically are applying where casinos are concerned. That's the reason I said first, no, the casinos should be shifted out from the Mandubi. Then all this mens will come in place.